The ceramic artist Giselle, established in 1986, counts today with two production units, with headquarters in the city of Imbituba and the branch office in Criciúma, the state of Santa Catarina. We are today a total of 170 employees and a production annual of 12 million pieces a year. %85% of this production is directed to the domestic market and 15% to the external market, which currently covers all Latin America and some countries of Central America, and we have goals to reach as well some countries of North America. The artistic ceramics Giselle in this year of 2011 brings in all production lines new trends, and we are always looking to take care of in the best way the necessities and requirements of the global ceramic market.